Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix poor audio quality in Amazon Music. So if your app has poor audio quality like low volume, muffled sound or not clear, it's usually due to settings, connection or device limits. So actually guys, at first you will need to increase the streaming quality, and that's the most important. So by default the quality may be set low. So inside your Amazon Music, you will need to tap on the profile icon that's located at the top left corner of your screen, and then just tap on the settings, the third last option or the sixth option, and then just go to the playback section right here and tap on the first option, streaming audio quality. And here you will need to go with streaming only on Wi-Fi. Okay, if you're using the Wi-Fi, of course, always. If not, or if you are using the mobile data too, so you'll need to keep it off. Also go with the best available, not the standard. Okay, so check mark it and go with the best available on the mobile data. Okay, and this all alone often fix the issue, to be honest. Also, if the issue is still going on, you will need to check the Bluetooth quality limits. Right, so all you need to do is to go inside your Bluetooth and right here just disconnect Bluetooth and test with phone's speakers, and if better, use high quality earbuds headphones and enable HD audio if available in Bluetooth settings. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.